And now it's time for the top 10 hair Barbera sound effects. And now, your host of the show, Michigan J. Frog.
I tripped. I just washed my feet and I can't do a thing with them. And now for the reason I'm here. Mr. Music Man, may I have a fanfare, please? That's not a fanfare. Now that's more like it. Fred Flintstone here presenting the Hanna-Barbera all-time top 10 famous sound effects for your dining and dancing pleasure. So without further ado, here's number 10. If you guessed it was that flea-bitten, muddly biting Dick Dastardly on the butt, give yourself a hand.
Right across the mouth.
Okay, Wolf, what are you doing here?
Sound effects are my life. We Wolves have a keen sense of hearing, you know. And I could hear you were in trouble with this bit. So I'm here to bail you out.
But I'm not in trouble.
Tut, there's no need to thank me. Although I wouldn't turn down any monetary donations you wanted to make to my favorite charity, me. And now, here's top 10 sound effect number 9.
Diablo!
Yes, direct from the future and that popular space-age family, the Jetsons. It's Judy Jetson's favorite rock star, Jet Screamer, making his fabulous spinning entrance. And now, I would make a fabulous spinning exit, but I get dizzy easily. Inner ear thing. Sensitive hearing and all. Then hear this, Hokey. Sensitively even. Desai, Snagglepuss. The stand-in, sound effects, noisier. That's connoisseur for the Snagglepuss impaired. What's the big idea? If I want an interpreter, I'll go to the UN. The AMPM even. Now, hearken on the sound effect, number 8. It has to do with a bear who goes by the name of Yogi. Did you get it? It's Yogi's coconut. In sound effects parlez-vous-ons, it goes by the name Noggin Clunks. And I must go as 2. So I shall exit, stage left, clunking all the way. We return you now to that man with the head of stone and the heart to match, Mr. Fred F. Flintstone.
Well, I'm certainly glad they left. This is supposed to be my top 10 list. Yo! Oh, that was number 7. Fred's hard head hit. I think I'll go lie down and let someone else get clobbered for a while.
Super Snooper here, the world's greatest detective, and me somewhat worthy assistant, Blab. Ouch! You booby Blab, what in Tonka did you do that for? Pulling out me whisker from me own personal face. I'm sorry, Snoop, it was in the script. That was sound effect number 6. Just for that, I'm demoting you to an unworthy sub-assistant. Gosh, does that mean I'm in charge of submissions, subscriptions, and subdivisions? Indubitably. And sub-sandwiches likewise also. Now get out in the kitchen and make me one. And hold the onions or I'll demote you again.
Wally Gator here, don't you know? Without any more jive, here's sound effect number 5. Tromboing. That one tickles. Oh, Mr. Flintstone, you're on again.
Oh, my aching head.
They said to give you this bowling ball for sound effect number 4.
My foot! Yabba dabba day!
You're looking almost as green as me. You'd better sit down.
Ow, my foot! My head! My foot! Oh, I need help.
Sounds like a miserable critter in distress. Olay! It is I, El Kabong, to the rescue. In reality, I am,
Quickstraw McGraw again.
no, that's not it. Well, I'll think of it later. Right now, I'm El Kabong. which will kind of give you a hint to my favorite sound effect at number 3. Kabong! Ooh, that smarts.
Then go soak your head because old Freddy is ready now. Let me see what sound effect number 2 is. Oh no, not him. He's the cause of all these accidents. Kazoo, you little green alien Watsis, stay away from me. Every time you come around, I get in trouble. I'm getting out of here while it getting's good, which is a perfect cue for top 10 sound effect number 1. Well, that's our sound effects album.
Heavens to whiz clonks! Over so soon? 'Tis a pity. Nay, 'tis a peong. For those with short attention spans, look it up in your alphabetical listing. You can't tell a peong from a patron without your alphabetical listing, don't you know? Well, everyone, I'm off. You certainly are.
And for a grand finale, we've got a fireworks sound effect spectacular!
Oh, goody. Maybe a hippopotamus's flying balloon. Now that would be spectacular.
Snooper and Blabber, take it away!
That's your cue, Blab. Make with the fireworks.
Sure thing, Snoop. Now hold on there. If there's any fireworking to do, I'll do her.
But Snoop said I could start them. Leave your horsey hands off the handle, Quick Draw.
I'll do the starting around here, and don't you forget it.
Hey, you guys, quit fighting and pull the handle. Everyone's waiting.
I'm supposed to do it.
Well, I'm a gonna do it. What's a fuss? What's a fuss? I'll pull the silly thing.
Not that one!
I think we're gonna need some therapy.